Economy is a very common word nowadays, but if we add the word sharing, do you still know the exact meaning of it? What is sharing economy? With only 5% of the UK public fully understand what sharing economy is, here is a brief guide to what it actually means. Sharing economy means people exchange idle resources which they don't need to use instantly. For example, Airbnb rent house while Didi and Uber are used for transportation. Shared bicycle is another instance. Thousands of them are parking alongside streets. Everyone benefits in sharing and makes the most use of regional resources. But things are different in terms of clothing. Clothing varies as time goes by. It is more than something protecting you from coldness. It has been given the meaning of fashion. People keep buying new fashionable clothes even if their wardrobes are already full. In consequence, the more they buy, the more will be discarded. It puts tremendous pressure on environment. We strongly recommend customers sharing clothing in order to shift customers from buying to sharing. According to theory of reason action, enhancing the image of sharing clothing is the most important thing.
Based on the environment in China, we have to answer a question. Is wearable sharing different to various consumers? In China, regardless of which segmentation is called, the premise must be young generation, since only they can enlarge the concept of sharing economy in China. So why we believe our target consumers would choose our application for wearable sharing? From the picture we can see there's a huge waste of water. The first point is the idea of wearable sharing is a revolutionary change in the future of environmentally friendly fashion. The second point is we own the only full process RFID automation leasing platform in the world. So from storing the clothes, washing and disinfecting, loading the clothes to shelf and delivering, it only takes 3 hours, and that's how we do to make our products clean and safe. The third point is that we have some experienced people to operate the company and application. And the fourth point is, for the first time, a closed loop of complete service in the clothing field is done. Besides, in digital society, we also have common features and advantages like other e-commerce companies and organizations. So how does the application obtain the benefits? First, the cost of single membership purchase becomes more profitable compared with the small cost at the beginning in the process of accumulating leases. And second, third-party brand presence. If the new designer or brand wants to use this channel to promote, they should pay a certain fee as a kind of advertising. Third, consumer purchase. If consumer has a brilliant dressing experience, they can buy the clothes directly, which provides them a new channel to purchase the item. The error tolerance rate is high, which enables consumers to make some alternative option when they have a regretful experience.
People have so many concerns about broken, hygiene problem, inconvenience, not special. We do understand that you care about yourselves. So do we. Clusters of clothes in room like this or this, but you still find you have absolutely nothing to wear. While now, you still have multiple options, but with a capsule wardrobe, less occupation, more options. Being brought to the laundry or the ironing. While now, fast delivery service will release you. Less pressure, more leisure. Being poor because cannot stop buying. While now, pay less in clothing but more in personal improvements such as sports, study, and social network. Less expense, more engagement. Oops, wearing the same clothes with others?
Wow, you look so nice.
While now, personalized with various choices, including new, stylish, unique brands, you will be fabulous. Less embarrassment, more decency. We know you also care about the environment, so do we. However, textile industry causes 1.2 billion tons of greenhouse gas emissions per year. If the clothing industry does not change, it will consume 1/4 of the world's annual carbon budget in 2050. How to realize a common vision of recycling in the fashion industry? According to our survey, which involves 169% opinion, 65% of them believe sharing wardrobe will have some benefits to sustainability, and 27% of them believe that it definitely will benefit environment and sustainability. So what can we do? First, extending the life cycle of clothing and reducing the energy-intensive production of new clothing. It will reduce the harm of the garment industry to the environment and building a circular economy to make clothing and fashion more sustainable. Less energy waste, less water waste, less air pollution.